Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 45 of the Microsoft Word tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to arrange text and graphics in a table. So in order to arrange the text and graphics inside of table, first you need to insert a table. So just go to insert right here and I'm going to select the 3-column table right here. So let's say for example I want this. So I'm going to say this is going to be game consoles right here. And this is going to be the title of the game console, name of the game console, and price of the games console right here, PRICE. There you go. So I want the game console to be listed out here. So I'm going to insert picture and I'm going to select the PlayStation 1 right here. I'm going to insert and then go into pictures right here. I'm going to select switch right here. And then I want another space right here. So I'm going to press tab right here. I'm going to insert and I'm going to press pictures and Xbox just like this. So I can actually resize this out as well as we did in previous lessons. So I'm going to resize it just like this according to the space over here. So now I want to align these space quite alike. So I'm going to go to the table properties right here and I want the preferred, let's say preferred row, the specified height. I want to specify the height right here into 3.2 inches, so you can see that that is a lot. So I'm going to go into format table again. So I'm just going to select the table right here. Then I'm going to select the rows that I want the to apply this on. So I need about, let's say for example 1.2 inch over here. So I'm gonna select the table. So select the table right here. I'm going to go into table properties over here. So I'm going to go on to layout and I'm going to go to properties. So I want around 1.2 inch as we saw over here. So I'm going to press OK. And yeah, that's about it. I guess this one can be resized a bit down. So you can see that I have it default. So I can select all of these 3 images right here. So I can select the text right here. So I want to center align these. So I'm going to go into home right here and center align these just like this. And I also want it to actually align it right here. So I'm gonna go into alignment over here. All right, so that's all right. Let's go to layout, and I'm going to center align it like this as well from the table right here. So I want to have it center or center left, or however you want. I want it center align right there. So this is the PlayStation 4. This is Nintendo Switch. Maybe I should add Sony to it as well. And then over here I'm gonna say Nintendo Switch, and this is my Microsoft Xbox One. Alright, there you go. So this is Xbox One. So Sony PlayStation is $499. Let me add a dollar sign to it, and then this is gonna be $299, and this is gonna be $399. All right, there you go. So now I can actually bold this out right here, and then I'm gonna center this out just like this, and I want to center it out like that as well. So what I want to do is now I want to select the table right here. I don't want no borders over here, so I'm gonna select this out. And then I'm going to go into I'm just going to right click this, and then I'm going to fill it up with the color. Maybe I'm going to just go to the design option right here. And for the shading, I'm going to use a color of my choice. Let's say I want to use this dark blue, and then I want to color this text over here. So I'm just going to go to the home ribbon and then color the text into white just like this. So I want this to have a bit of a height as well. So I'm going to right click, go to table properties right here, specify height around 0.5 and press OK, and let's see. Alright, so that's what I want. I'm going to go out to layout and then centerline these as well, just like this. So I want no borders to be seen over here, so I'm going to select the table right here and then go to design section right here, and in the border I'm just going to click no border, and you can see that the table has been arranged quite easily just like that, and this looks beautiful. So I want to let's say increase the height a bit because like this actually is quite aligned with this. So I'm going to select this out. I'm going to go into the table properties right here, and let's say I'm going to have around 1.5 inch for each of these, and you can see that they are evenly spaced out. And for this I'm going to just press Ctrl I because that's the price right there. So you can see that this is how you can easily arrange information by using tables and create unique design layouts just by doing that. You can also add in a border. Let me just add in a border right here. just at the end. So you can see that I can actually add outside border over here, and then even choose the border designs, as you can see. So I can have border styles right there. So I can choose different colors of the border right here, or I don't want that. Alright, so I want no border, I just want the S border right there. As you can see that this is the design I have right here. So that is how you can use text and graphic arrangements using tables inside of Microsoft Word. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.